Ke Sorkar Jylla kala jingmynjur policy bendi scrap yaki kali rim ke bala tip kum vehicle scrappage policy. Bekala rai ru haduh khatlai hajar tylli ki kali rim on weng na ki surok hapoh ka treikam ban nyngkong. Ya gani rai la shim da ke jingialang jong ka Kynhun Myntri ke bala pyniaid Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad K Sangma hynne ka Palei. Haba pentip yakni Myntri bat nong aiktin ke Sorkar MDA ba polling do ulaong ba ke Sorkar kan sedang treikam ya ke policy da ke weng shuan nyngkong ki kali Sorkar ki baladap khatsan snem ni kamrim. Kumbasan hajar tali ki kali Sorkar ki lahap hapo ni ke policy di scrap badan weng no ki na po ki surok.
As is being done in the rest of the country, where you have a vehicle scrappage policy, whereby old, dilapidated, and cars which are no longer roadworthy will come under this policy. The major benefits of having this policy is to allow the government to reduce pollution levels through less emission, reduce fuel import, which means less extraction, and recycling of raw materials. And at the moment, Shillong has roughly 276,262 vehicles, followed by Tura and Jawai. We will now start addressing concerns relating to air pollution caused by inefficient and old vehicles. However, taking into account the overall economic condition of the people of the state, we will address the matter by first taking off government vehicles which are 15 years and older.
Habaya day bat ki kali shimet uba pol uloong bayamenta ke polisi kan treikam shwa tangi ki kali ki bladap lai pesan snem lani palan haba pentip ru bakidan kumba prahajar teli ki kali shimet ki bala day ban pendu no.